My name is Penchalaiah. I am 72 years old and I am a retired IRS officer working in Central GST and staying in Bangalore. And I have been thinking of undergoing this knee operation for the past 7 years. And I took advice from so many quarters, but then it was not satisfactory. And then ultimately, we have decided to go ahead with the operation. Incidentally, we have our association for CGST pensioners. Those officers, when I approached, they have suggested 2 hospitals and 2 doctors. And preferably, they told Dr. V Srinivas from Aster RV Hospital, JP Nagar. That is how I came over here to take your advice for admission and then go ahead with the operation. So, accordingly, I have followed up and then I got myself admitted. Actually, I was a very sportive shuttle player. Because of the heavy play and all that, and due to wrong placement of this flooring, my knees got damaged. And we tried all damn dick and hurry methods, but then nothing could be go through. And ultimately, on 15th May, I got admitted, and then I had operated on 16th, and then the hospital every quarter of this departments of various departments under Dr. V Srinivas. His entire team has meticulously followed up my case without my giving any reminder to any area. They were very punctual, professional, and meticulous in their job. I was very much thoroughly convinced about the methodology that is being adopted by the institute. Though I am very far away located in Jalhalli, it is about 40 kilometers from here, but then I did not make any mistake. I felt that I have taken a good decision of choosing this hospital and the Dr. V Srinivas and his team. And I got very good support from the sisters' side, and then para hospital, and housekeeping, all physiotherapy, like that, I got best support. No doubt, I too did my best to give support to the system. So that way, I am comfortable. I have reasonably have recovered very nicely, and I am undertaking this physiotherapy. And now, I hope that I am all right now. Thank you.